G'day, Brent here with what's going on in Wairarapa this weekend. I tell you what, another massive weekend of events. We are so blessed in this region because there's something on every weekend. So, what have we got? Friday is the food fair at Lakeview School. Kicks off from 4:30. Don't worry about dinner on Friday. Get down to Lakeview School. Heaps of different foods available and, of course, a great school fundraiser. Martinborough Football Open Day is happening on Saturday. Paul Ophal's a special guest. This is the first time that Martinborough have had a senior football team, possibly ever. So get along and check that out from 11 a.m. Through until 1. Saturday is, of course, Game of Crones at the Carterton Event Centre. Great production. It's flying weekend at Hood Aerodrome. Sunday, there's racing at the Tohiraneka Racecourse, of course, with the Marston Racing Club. Free children's entertainment, face painting, giant inflatable obstacle course, and it's only a donation to enter, and the money goes to Lifeline, so brilliant. And you can ride the rail in Featherston, so plenty to do this weekend, not to mention kids go free at Pukaha on Sunday as part of their celebrations of their 100th Kiwi chick being born. Lots to do in Wairarapa. If you want to get something on, do email me, brentg@morefm.co.nz.